Guys, this is the most amazing drum knock I have ever heard. This was my sister's funeral and I was totally out of it, but I was trying to get my mind clear because I was crying all the way. I was crying. It's like I couldn't stand firm. So, I was a little out of it, but I grew up knocking these drums, the jantan up, the tittle and the tenor. I enjoy every moment of it. My grandfather, this was my grandfather. He died in 1995. This was his drum, and these are my uncles. And let me tell you something, kids nowadays not having any fun. When it come on to Christmas time and my father going to the communities and knock these drum where they have the merry-go-round and you would ride that all day, and you have the maypole that you dance and wrap the rope thing. And let me tell you something, man, these kids are just not having any fun. Like, people need to go back to some good old days where children are really enjoying their life. They're not having any fun anymore, but I enjoy every minute of this drum knock. So I just decided to put them together, and hopefully you guys enjoy them as well. And this me knocking the tenor.
Our first lesson will be taken from 1 Corinthians chapter 15